Alright, since the tutorials this week are kind of short, I'm going to do one that I got a request for, and it is this. Basic fanning. Alright, now what you're going to do is take either the safe or the bite, but I just recommend practicing all tricks on the safe handle for the sake of not getting cut. The first thing to know is how to roll out like this. Okay, so when you're coming from whatever trick, you start a rollout. Alright? Now, let's say you're coming from a thumb roll, you do a single double rollout. What you're going to notice is as you're doing that rollout, this handle makes a circle. Okay, watch it. So put your thumb on the inside here, other fingers out here. Do the rollout, but don't let your fingers move. That way you have that torque. So do the rollout, spin, and then just let go with your hand to get the feel for it. Okay? Again, this handle is coming down, and then right about here is when you're gonna start, see how it opens up like that? You're gonna then turn it and spin. Just twist your fingers and let go. And if you get that momentum right and spin, it's gonna do a whole bunch of fans. Now, that's how you get the feeling for it. But if you want to have more control, what you can do is leave your fingers on it for, let's see, just one rotation, and then let it drop down, and then continue your combo. What that looks like. Okay? The only time I don't do it that way is when I'm doing a choker, because I like to have a rollout for my choker. So I do this, let go, bring it here, and then I do my choker. Alright, so just do this. That's your loop. Look at my fingers. They never move off of the handle. You can just continue it like this. And how you can go right into like a zero gravity Chaplin, right? So you're doing your rollout, you do your fan, take your index out, boom, there it is. It's not that bad. I hope this helped, and good luck everyone.